Solar power is the most abundant renewable energy resource we have available on Earth. Solar-generated electricity is created using technology field-tested and improved upon since the 19th century. When sunlight hits the modules on a solar photovoltaic or PV installation, the modules convert the sun's energy into electricity, which can then be used to power your home. Now, whether the electricity is being drawn from a PV installation or a utility company, your home's power performance will stay exactly the same. The direct current, or DC power, that the installation produces is wired into an inverter, and this inverter converts the DC power into an alternating current, or better known as AC power. Now, this AC power is the standard electrical current used for powering most homes' appliances and luxuries throughout the world. Now, the electrical current then flows from the inverter to the home's electrical service panel that feeds electricity into the household. A tracking meter can keep track of a home's total electrical consumption, the total output of the solar installation, and more. Now, these tracking systems often have online monitors, so you can track how much of your home's electricity needs are being met by your system's production and how well your system is performing at any point in time during the day. Now, if the solar system's production exceeds the house's electrical needs, the excess electricity is then fed back into the power grid. Now, when this occurs, you can observe the electrical meter actually spin backwards. Now, the federal government has a tax credit that pays for 30% of the system cost. Governments have a system of credits set in place that require utility companies to buy this excess energy back. In addition to reducing your electricity bill, these credits can be sold to the utility company, and this generates revenue to pay back your cost of investment for the PV system and eventually turn a profit. At night, or any time a household is using more electricity than a solar installation is producing, the extra energy needed to power the house is then pulled from the grid as it normally would be. Now, when you install a solar system on a home, the only noticeable difference you're going to see is on your electricity bill. Investing in a PV system is a smart, sensible choice that pays for itself over time by harnessing the most abundant free form of energy available to us today, solar power. So get it now in 3 simple steps. First of all, click the link to do a free and easy solar assessment questionnaire. And step 2, after the assessment, a solar specialist is going to call and schedule a virtual or in-home presentation to explain what solar can do for your home. And finally, step 3, if everything sounds good, we're going to do a 2-minute loan qualification. If you qualify, we'll install your system for no money out of pocket.